Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an average in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. So over here, you can see my breaks Excel sheet here. And the first thing we want to do is, and I've highlighted total average, so we know what we're working with. We're going to come over to the cell over here. And over at the top here, you can see underneath auto sum, you'll see average. Or you can see recently used, and you can see that I have an average button here. Now, the great thing about Microsoft Excel, and because it's very intelligent, a lot smarter from, when Excel first came out. I remember working with Excel back in 2000. You actually had to highlight, etc., drag and move, left click, etc. Now, what you have to do is, because Microsoft sees that there's a bunch of data up here, all you have to do is come over to the cell, come over to recently used, and click on average. And it automatically highlights everything that you want to average out. For example, you can see, and you could reference this from P10. Okay, so P10 right here is the first number to the very last number, P16. Now let's say we only wanted to go from P10 to P12. All we have to do after we press enter on here, it calculates the average. Now underneath a Windows keyboard, you could do an F2. Or underneath Mac, you do a function F2, and it's going to show you exactly the formula. So now what we want to do, let's say we wanted to edit the average from just P10 to P12. You can see in the formula here it says P10 to P16. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the top, and we're just going to edit this number from P16. We're going to backspace and press on 2. And as you can see, it's just going to do the average for these three. And then we're going to press on enter. And you can see it's just doing the average, because we could click on it and we can verify that it's doing the average of P10 to P12. So that's it for the video. That's how you do an average in Microsoft Excel.